Good morning, children. I am Anantesh, TPCK High School, Ulalkere. Dear students, we are facing the COVID-19 epidemic. Nowadays, there is no class. I heartily welcome to our English e-teaching class. Dear students, we are already, the education system is changed. Now, we are online class are conducted. All of you, please attend and listen the online classes carefully and find out their difficulties and the meanings of the lesson and the concepts. So, I will teach you today a 10th standard second language English. The unit is English. The unit is 5. Lesson is the concept. Dear students, anybody heard this concept? Anybody start off? What do you mean by concept? So concert means a musical performance. What do you mean? A musical performance or musical ambrosia. Musical ambrosia means Sangeeta Kacheri or Sangeeta Mela. So during we are celebrating Ganapati festivals. So there are many, we are all seeing many of the programs are held night and days. So anybody see what are the programs are held on that occasions? Oh yes, there are some cultural programs are held, like dancing. Yes, what do you say? Yes, good. So orchestra. Yes, very good. Let us come to the orchestra. So, what we see in the orchestra? Yes, there are some singers, there are some musical instruments, and in front of there are a great audience, like that. So, audience, yes, there are some audience are sitting in front of the musical concerts in auditorium, where the place, all the audience are seated and listen and watching the programs, live programs or then telecast programs in TV and in. So these are all we seen in our surroundings of the TV serials. Yes, let us discuss about what is concert. Concert means nothing, it is a musical performance and a musical ambrosia. Here students, this is a picture to see. So here is one person, here is another person, here. So these are they are the audience. So and here picture is here, it's a memo to picture. So these are the two great personalities. It's a family suffering from a one disease. Let after we see what the disease they are facing here. So the lesson is the concept. What is the title of the lesson? The lesson is concept. So concept. It's a wonderful lesson written by Santa Rameshwar Rao. Was the author here? Santa Rameshwar Rao. So first we are going to read the lesson. We study about the author of Santa Rameshwar Rao. This lesson was written by Santa Rameshwar Rao. So you I am asking you about, are anybody like the music? Yes, good. I am asking to you, what is music? Yes, yes, good. Music is a heart. Music is a soul. Music is a imagination. Music is a creativity. Music is a enthusiasm. Music is a we listen to music. So the music is one Kannada song saying so ಸಂಗೀತವೇ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ಸಂಗೀತವೇ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು. So this was we have listened the music. Someone the great personalities in Kannada film industry and also in national level, they are the great musicians. We already know that. So anybody tell me who are the great personalities in the music? So yes, in Kannada industry, Arjun Janya, and then Nadabrahma, Hamsalekha, Rajan Nagendra, G.K. Venkatesh. So yes, and another one of the national and international famous musician, A.R. Rahman. Yes, so their music, the great personalities are in our country, and they are another. Anybody tell me the great personalities? So the great personalities are one of the. Can you really heard this name? He was Pandit Ravi Shankar ji. Was Pandit Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar. He was a mess. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Who was Pandit Ravi Shankar? Pandit Ravi Shankar was a famous and greatest, not only for the India, international figure, personality, great personality in music, and he was a great sitarist and music composer. So, music composer. Another one personality here in the figure, he is always accompanying with Ravi Shankar. His name was Ustad Allah Rakha. Ustad Allah Rakha. So, first, dear students, these are the two personalities. And after giving one assignment, that assignment is to collect information about Pandit Ravi Shankar ji and Ustad Allah Rakha. Yes, before going to the lessons, so we already know that the music. So ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ಗೆ ತಲೆಬಾಗುವವರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಲೆಬಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್? Music gives them a pleasure, happiness, and it also gives them courage, and it also gives them relaxation. It also encourages to readings. It also encourages to them creativity, imagination. Everything is good. So we say that music is a hammer. What do we say? Music is a hammer. So this was the lesson was written by Santa Rameshwar. In this lesson, she told a very interesting real stories happened in Mumbai. So that why we have learned here. So it's a wonderful and heart-opening story in this lesson in 10th standard. So before going to the lessons, we studied in Santa Rameshwar Rao. Dear students, open the second language textbook, page number 104. So about this Santa Rameshwar. Who was Santa Rameshwar? I will read all about the author to point out there. Shall we start? Yes, my dear students. Santa Rameshwar Rao, she was born on 1924. She is an Indian writer of mice, legend, folk tales, short stories, and picture book of children's. She has retold tales from Indian scriptures and reworked folk tales and mice from little known tribal communities and the far-flung area of India. Far-flung means in the hilly region, far away from the towns and cities. Underline the word. The tales of the ancient India in 1960. She retells original stories like how the stroke got its long neck. So its work, the major works of the Santa Rameshwar, underline this word, underline this sentence also. How the stroke got its long neck and why snakes have forked tongues. Another one of the important work. So another one, children's Mahabharata 1968. She worked on many stories. So these are very important stories of children's Mahabharata. And in Worship of Shivas in 1998. So these are all the works of the Santa Rameshwar, drawn from the Hindu myths and scripture. Hindu myths means a old traditional stories or ancient stories happened in the past time. So she read many books and written on them. Yes, have demons, goods and humans as characters. She stressed the importance of the wise actions in our public as well as the private life. So nowadays we are all very busy. So we are not to a time to read because we are all going on fast and fast. So hence we are only watching the TV and mobiles. So don't we are reading the textbook and then the old our tradition books. So that's why she told to and written on the many stories for comparison to the real life and then our real life, so private life and then public life. So she compared. These are all the great works of the devote Santa Rameshwar. In other words, she worked lot and she written on that many books underline this. So this is the short sketch of our Santa Rameshwar, our author of the lesson concert. So dear students, so let me read the lesson, the concert. So we are all concert. There are many people are sitting in front of the what we say, a place. That very good. That place is auditorium. What we say? Auditorium. This is called an auditorium. What do you mean? Auditorium. So this is where once upon a time there was one family. That family was a very small family. That family was very happy family. So there are not many members. There are 4 members here. So this family is called Anand's family. What we say? Anand's family. How are the members are there? Father, mother. So let me see what are the characters comes in under this lesson. First one is then Anand. Second one is Smita. And father and mother So she's aunt, Anand or Smita's son. Who was Anand? Anand was a 15 years young boy, and he was a very talented fellow, talented boy. He was good at sports, talented at sports, and he was also a good sitarist also. He won composer the pianist. He was also a good at in all subjects also. More he was very good at in greater than Smita also. Smita was a very she was 16 years old girl. So Anand's sister. She was a very close with they were both very close, intimate. So they are always going with school and learning with among them. So that this is a family of Anand. So they were lived in Gagan. Where they are lived? Gagan. So they were lived in the Gaganpur. So what happening? So we all know that. So this is a happy family. Sometimes we know in our areas. Sometimes what we say that what we say, health is lost, or money lost, something is lost. But health is lost, everything is lost nowadays. So we are all facing the great diseases like COVID-19, coronavirus. So many people are there died and lost their lives because so they are neglected about the coronavirus. So this is we are not to be forget. We are always to be a care about our health and to maintain the cleanliness and hygiene. So that's why. So one proverb is there that is what we say. That proverb is precaution is better than cure. What is the precaution is better than cure. So ರೋಗ ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಇರುವುದು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ and very good message to all our societies. So that's contribute to our author Santa Rameshwar. So let me, what happened in this story? So this is a heartbroken story because so Anand was here a good sportsman, talented fellow, and but he is very young, but he lost his life about the attacking of cancer. Thus, he was a patient. He was a cancer patient. Suddenly, what happened? The family struck when heard or checking them, and the doctor advised to. So Anand was a cancer patient. What happened in that family? Here, a small girl, how to fulfill their brother's wants or desires. How she convinced me to great personalities. Here, so one message is a great personalities, how to react, how to respond, we are already concerned. So this is the, this shows a human being for everyone. So, hence we say, Tumpida Pradha. Pandit Savai Shankarji, he was an international figure. There is no time, there is no patience. But he was very busy in his program, in his composing, in his music, and in his about the musical ambrosia. But he responded to a small girl, and he very simply came to his house to play for his brother. So all of the neighbors of the apartment people were surprised about the Pandit Ravi Shankarji. So this shows my dear students. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳು ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಳ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ವಸ್ತುವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. In daily life, we are also cultivated. That type of the good habits we are learning this lesson also here. So, hence, these are wonderful lessons we are all to remember always. That's a lesson is the concert. Are you clear? So, once again I will repeat. So, concert is a musical performance. What do you mean by concert? It's a musical performance. Who was the writer or the author? This lesson was written by Santa Rameshwar. Who was Santa Rameshwar? Indian writer. So what are the works? She wrote many works about our myths and their legend and our Puranas. So especially she was worked on the children's stories. Yes. And he is also sent the message about our private life and then public life. So she is, and so she write a real story about what happened in Bombay. That is the lesson is concern. Yes, my dear students. Let us see your textbook page number 86. First, we are going to lesson. There are several characters here. Anand, Smita, father, mother, Sushil. Here, who was Sushil? Sushil was a Anand's or Smita's aunt. Where she was living? She lived in Bombay. So, this family men heard the cancer about the cancer of the Anand. They shifted to the Bombay. So, Sushil was living in an apartment in Bombay. We are already know Bombay is a metropolitan city. So, there are it's a very densely populated area. So, apartment means a Vasati Samuchaya. Vasati Samuchaya. So there is a here like so the grade one building there are several houses are there. Here this is the apartment. Small apartments. But in Bombay, this is the situation, real situation in Bombay. Yeah, this one apartment. In one part of a small house, Sushil was there. So the Anand family shifted to Bombay because they hope in the modern science to overcome these diseases from the Anand. So they taken to the Anand's to the higher treatment to the Bombay. So they are shifted. So their relatives are there. Sushil in Bombay. So they call him. You come and here a good hospital and what happening? multi devised hospital in the good medicines and the good doctors and the good facilities are available here. You come, I will give the treatment after she concerned then and she know that in Bombay. So many people, so many patients are the queue. So one of the great hospital in Bombay, so she called to the Anand family. All Anand family shifted from Jaganpur to Bombay here. But so this is a very horrible story. I have already told you many students. So let us, I will read the lesson. So you follow it and mark a difficult words. After we will discuss. One morning, the lesson is for the concept. One morning, in a small apartment in Bombay, a girl of about 16 looked up from the newspaper and said excitedly, Pandit Ravi Shankar's playing tomorrow at the Shanmukhananda Auditorium. Said the mother, pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. You will wake him up. You know he needs all the sleep and rest he can get. Let second paragraph. But the boy on the bed was not asleep. Pandit Ravi Shankar, he said, Pandit Ravi Shankar, the sitar maestro. He raised himself upon his eyebrows, upon his elbows for 1 second, then fell back, but his eyes were shining. We mustn't miss the chance, he said. We mustn't miss the chance. Underline the sentence. I have always wanted to hear him and see him. Third, lay down, my son. His mother sparked to his scent. He actually raised himself without help. She murmured with a catch in her throat and her eyes turned to the idols on the corner shelf. The prayer which she utterly endless came unbidden to her lips. That's over. Let me see fourth paragraph. I must hear him and see him, the boy repeated. It is the chance of a lifetime. It is a chance of a lifetime. Underline this sentence. Then he began to cough and gasp for breathing and had to be given oxygen from the cylinder that stood under the bed, but his large eyes were fixed on his sister. Turn the page. Smita bit her lips in self-reproach. She had been so excited at seeing and announcement that she had not remembered that her brother was very ill. She had seen how the doctor and shaken their heads gravely and spoken words that neither she nor her parents could understood. But somewhere deep inside, Smita had known and frightening truth that Anand was going to die. The word cancer had hugged in the air her brother was dying the cancer, even though she pretended that all would be well and they would return together, a small family of four, to their home in Gaganpur. And he was only a 15 and the best table tennis player in the school and the fastest runner. He was learning to play in sitar. They were both talking sitar lesson, but Anand was better than her as in many other things. She was already able to compose his own tunes to the astonishment of their guru. Then concern had struck and they had came to Bombay so that he could be treated at the cancer hospital in the city. Thank you. Now I will stop here. Tomorrow I will continue the class.